So if you like what you see here, guys, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Welcome back to the Macro Watch update. In here with Steve Miley. The market chart is for FX Explained for the week commencing the 30th of January 2023. Mixed earnings but strong macro data sends stocks higher ahead of a massive week for markets. Macroeconomic and geopolitical developments first of all. So the focus last week stayed on the US earnings season, which is seeing mixed results. Microsoft indicate a slowdown in its Azure cloud-based computing business. Intel stock plunged after very poor results and also weak guidance. But Tesla shares jumped after posting solid earnings and strong guidance. On the macro side, strong US GDP and durable goods data alongside a lower than expected inflation read from the Fed's preferred inflation measure, the PCE data, all help fuel further gains in risky assets. Fed speakers have continued to indicate a slowing pace in rate hikes, with hopes growing of a soft landing in 2023, avoiding recession in the US and potentially in the major global economic centres. Now let's look back at the global financial market developments from last week ending the 27th of January. So equities stay strong, S&P 500 pushing higher, as did the DAX remains bullish in the intermediate term. Yields remain on a downward path on the bigger picture, whilst the US dollar index and the US dollar generally stays weak. Gold remains strong, oil remains bearish, and copper remains bullish. Now let's take a look at the week ahead for commencing the 30th of January 2023. It's a massive week coming up. I can't stress that enough. A massive week. On the central bank side, focus this week will be on the FOMC interest rate decision on Wednesday, and then the same from the Bank of England and the European Central Bank, both on Thursday. On the data side, a big week for data. We get German GDP and EU consumer confidence are out Monday. German retail sales and German CPI and US consumer confidence are released Tuesday. Wednesday and Friday sees global manufacturing services and composite PMI from S&P Global, plus the US ISM and services manufacturing PMI, and the US employment report is out on Friday too. On the earnings side, Q1 earnings season continues with a big week in the US, with the focus on Meta, Apple, Google, and Amazon. And here you can see the breakdown of all those macroeconomic events coming up for the coming week. Have a great trading week, guys. Stay safe, and I'll be back with you soon for another Macro Watch. So traders, don't forget to catch us on the next FX Explained Macro Watch and all the great content on fxexplained.co.uk.